welcome to this special episode of Roaming Rogers where we're not actually going anywhere. But this is our fashion for the Galactic Starcruiser episode. So
let's do this.
Starting off with unboxing a dress, the black dress from shopDisney. It is the fancy black dress. I don't know that I'm gonna wear it because I have some other outfits. I mean, I will wear it, just not necessarily on the Starcruiser. So we are gonna unbox it and see how it looks. Right.
It's beautiful. Look at this wrapping paper.
That is super cute tissue paper. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh
my gosh.
Wait. Oh gosh, it is so heavy. Glad I got free shipping, but there's definitely some metal components on here.
And earn
This is
$100
heavy.
Set card.
All right.
That's horrible. No,
This is, wow. Look at this belt. All right, let's
And I am keeping this wrapping paper forever.
You may keep that tissue paper.
Yay!
And me and I are both the rebel spy.
I am the rebel spy.
All right, here we go.
You both wear the same.
Oh wow.
That
okay.
looks
so
amazing.
I ordered a size large in this dress because I wasn't sure, and I'd rather go too big than too small. Disney dress shop dresses never fit me right. They are always too big or too small, and they never hang right, but I decided to try. Anyway, since this one's kind of flowy, figured it might work. Oh my gosh, look at this belt. I might put this belt with another outfit I've already made. That's not super high quality feeling, but what do I know? It's thick. It's definitely a Star Wars belt.
Giant. It's
All
like
right.
this big.
Oh, it's got a hood. All right.
A hood.
Here we go.
I thought that was the dress, but that's
Ta-da! Look, it looks like a black lump.
It's cold.
All right.
It's very cold.
It is very cold.
Is it
Goes this way. I don't know which one. I don't know. This is a little confusing. So we'll have to see.
It's like a hood. Wait, no,
Okay.
that isn't hood. It's confusing.
Okay. All right. So this is how long it is. My feet hang out the bottom. All right. I'm going to try it on. We'll see how it looks. So, here it is. You can still see my ankles and my socks. So it obviously needs boots or heels or sandals or something. It's got a slit in it. Did not notice that. No slit on the other side. It's got this big old belt. I feel like I'm wearing a napkin ring. But it definitely looks very Star Wars-y, I'd say. It's got this hood. It also has this floofy thing in the front. It's got these nice big sleeves and these silver things on the shoulders that are like real metal. I like that. That's the heavy part, I think, and just all the material. For the first time ever, a shop dress actually fits me. So that's kind of exciting. I have other outfits, but I'm tempted to wear this one. I just don't want to look like everybody else. So I may accessorize this one, or I might wear the things that I already have planned. So this is the Star Wars black dress with hood for women, Star Wars Galactic Starcruiser line dress. And this is the size large. I guess it fits true to size. I don't know. It's better than any dress shop dress I've ever gotten at Disney before. So that's this. But if you just want to order from the website, you can if you have a Galactic Starcruiser reservation within 60 days. Shipping was really fast though, even not paying for extra shipping. All right, here's the close-up detail of that. And the belt. And this is the detail on the front of the belt. Then on the back, it hooks with this. And you can slide. Cover up the back. I also wanted to show you this awesome feature since we'll be inside at Disney on a Star Cruiser. Oh yeah. Light up LED mask. You gotta wear a mask. At least let it be awesome.